The challenges of managing inventory for online sellers are likely to evolve and intensify. Here are some potential issues that sellers may face. 1. Sustainability. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, there will be increased pressure on sellers to adopt sustainable practices in their inventory management. This may involve implementing circular economy models, reducing waste, and using more eco-friendly packaging materials. 2. Artificial intelligence and automation. Advances in AI and automation technologies will enable sellers to optimize inventory management processes more efficiently. However, there is also a risk that these technologies could lead to job displacement and require significant investment in training and upskilling. 3. Cybersecurity. As more transactions move online, there will be a greater risk of cyber attacks and data breaches. Sellers will need to ensure that their inventory management systems are secure and that they have robust contingency plans in place in case of a breach. 4. Globalization. The trend towards globalization is likely to continue as sellers seek out new markets and suppliers to expand their businesses. However, this will also increase the complexity of inventory management as sellers will need to navigate different regulatory frameworks, customs procedures, and transportation networks. 5. Personalization. As consumers become more accustomed to personalized experiences, there will be increased demand for customized products and services. Sellers will need to find ways to balance the cost of producing custom items with the potential benefits in terms of customer satisfaction and loyalty. 6. Data privacy. As sellers collect more data about their customers' preferences and behaviors, there will be increased scrutiny around how this data is used and protected. Sellers will need to ensure that they have robust data privacy policies in place and that they are transparent about how customer data is being used in their inventory management processes.